Come on, baby. Come on.
Come on.
This is my new 10-week-old puppy standard poodle. She just got home and we're just gonna let her get out of the crate by herself because she has to go for a pee-pee. Come. It's okay. I know that was a long ride. Come on, let's go. It's gonna be her first pee-pee in our backyard. Come on. And then we have to introduce her to our other dog, Benny, who is another standard poodle who's 2 years old. Come on, let's go. It's okay. She's shy. Come on, girl. It's a girl. Come on. Let's go. It's okay. You looking around? Come on. Let's go. Hi. Come. Come. It's okay. You can come out. She's still thinking about it. She's just checking out her surroundings. Yeah, the grass is a little bit drier here, eh?
Yeah, it is.
Isn't it drier? Where she came from, her yard was more green and soft grass. She's like, what is this hard stuff? See her first step? That's so cute. Look how beautiful you are. Look how beautiful. She's gonna eat the grass instead. She's eating the grass. You're gonna shut the door on yourself. Oh boy. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. I'll back up.
Good. That's why.
Here she comes. Oh my gosh.
Hi, poopy pants.
Look at her.
Hi, poopy pants.
Let's make sure she does a pee-pee.
Go pee pee.
There she
Go pee-pee.
is.
Hurry up.
Come. Go pee-pee? Why are you eating all that stuff? It's okay. It's just grass and a weed. Let's go pee-pee. She'll have to pee because she took a while to get home. There she goes. She's got to get used to the backyard. She's all this. Are you crunching, scaring her? Oh, there goes a plane.
No,
She's heard. Oh, a helicopter. She's heard that before. There she goes.
Good girl.
Her first pee. You gotta take a picture.
Good girl.
Her first pee. Yay! Yes!
Block the game.
Good girl. Hi, Judy. Look how cute she is. Look at this. Oh, sweetie pie. All right, we're just gonna let her investigate the yard before we bring Benny out. He's just sitting there. I'm gonna get her a drink of water. Benny, that's your sister. She doesn't know what to think. She just got here and she's got to get used to us and Benny. That's your new sister, Ben. Okay, don't bark and scare her. She's already nervous. She's just watching him from a distance. Come here.